Parakeet AI is an AI online call assistant that gives you the answer to every question on your online call, such as what is your biggest weakness? Click AI Help and Parakeet AI will provide an answer based on your resume and customize it for the position and the company that you're applying for. Our app can also analyze your screen and provide solutions to any coding problems that you may get during your meeting. And the best thing about it is that it remains invisible to everyone else, so you can comfortably see all the answers while sharing your screen on your online meeting. This is our brand new desktop app. It's available both on macOS and Windows, and it is the best way to use Parakeet AI. But you can also use Parakeet AI right inside your web browser without having to download our app, or even on your mobile phone by placing it in front of
My name is Suresh, having experience of like only the performance testing, more than 7 years experience, and I'm a ISTQB certified for both foundation and also performance tester, and also NeoLoad certified, and also I'm also having experience on this online training also parallelly along with my uh, job. Yeah, let me know if anyone can say can I know who is having experience on JMeter? Just if you cannot answer, you can give thumbs up here. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Bharadwaj, can you for how many years experience on only on JMeter?
Only on JMeter, but I have 2 years of experience.
Okay,
Great.
okay, okay, okay. Overall experience, I think more than three. Okay,
Yeah, four.
okay, okay. It's very good. Yeah, I think one more, Ria. I think you also raise a hand.
Yes, I have 3 years of experience in JMeter.
Okay, okay. Like anyone can share your experience. Like recently, anyone has attended any interviews on JMeter. Anyone can share your experience. If it is only others, no problem. We can have we will take this experience and everything once you join the classes. Okay. As of now, no problem. I'm not asking anything. Just only I will explain my training details, everything. And once you join the course, na, I will make you feel in such a way, not like one to one. Okay, only I am teaching and you will listen. Not like we can have like a conversation manner. Like for suppose if I've given any one question. Okay, if my because answers may differ. My answer may be different and your answer may be different. Like your solution may also different here. Okay, so this JMeter interview mainly it will help us like as a community. Like for suppose if why we will join some communities where discussions will happen here. Okay, I my main motive is this interview not like because no one can uh, not like question and answer type here. We don't know whenever we attended any interview how we may ask the question. Okay, and how to and how we will answer and how they will take it so differently. These discussions will help us, okay, uh, to crack any interviews whenever you're attending any interviews here. Yeah, let me share my screen and I will explain you why most of the people will fail in the interviews here, and also in my daily I will show you some job descriptions also, like how what is happening. Okay, and what they're expecting like from the job descriptions and how we need to learn and more. Okay, depending on and how to modify the resume based on the job description. And most of the interviews nowadays like this they're using a machine algorithms, and based on the algorithms also the resumes will pick up. So we need to check properly based on the and by checking the job description we need to learn and also we need to modify the resume. Okay. Yeah, I'm not asking any personal details, anything. Okay, that. But once we have attended in the normal sections, na, when it is not a public call, okay. So then we can share our knowledge, like have attended this interview, like they have asked these questions. Okay, so this that we can check it later. after 3 or 2 classes. Yeah, mainly this particular demo class, I will explain you what I will explain, and how this particular interview uh, sections, how this will help you. Yeah, mainly we can come from here, from why so many people, like not on so many, because we know the number of openings are very less compare in performance testing compared to other testings here. Okay, but we need to crack the interview. Okay, by in this competitive world, not less, but okay. I'm comparing to other testings here. So why people fail in performance testing? Anyone can answer. I right now the names are not coming anything. Just you can answer randomly. Any of anyone, why people fail in performance testing interviews?
Their most questions are related to the scenarios.
Yeah, definitely scenarios. They will give some scenarios, and they will expect, and they will say how you will do this particular scenario by using JMeter. Yeah, this is one. And anything.
And bottlenecks
Yeah,
related
bottlenecks.
issues.
Yeah,
They ask the deep knowledge. We should know about deep knowledge on this.
yeah, how to identify bottlenecks, everything. Yeah,
Miss to relate the matrix test here.
definitely this type of questions will come. Yeah, anything apart from scenarios and
On correlation, Suresh.
yeah, correlations also. Okay, so different types of correlations they will ask, and they will okay. Yeah, this is one. And any other? Yeah, no problem. Anyone can open up. Why? Because the names are not coming anything. Just show the slide is coming. You can share your questions, no problem.
The format that we answer, like
The format of the,
the format, like we answer in a different format, right?
yeah,
So
yeah, they will expect in their, in some, not everyone, some
yeah,
people, they will expect in their process.
yeah.
Yeah, that is also. Yeah, any other? Yeah, basic actually, this particular JMeter interview questions, na, initially, I will explain about why people fail in performance testing interview. Then we can have initially lack of fundamentals. That is first basic. Fundamentals should be very like we need to, like some interview. If you will go for some managerial round or maybe second round, okay, they will focus more on the fundamentals here. Maybe initial round, the screening will be different. They may ask you scenarios, everything. Depends on the person to person. Okay, so but main reason is lack of fundamentals. We need to have not for all I'm saying, just I'm telling my reasons here. Okay, so we need to learn about the fundamentals most here, and how to use JMeter tool, and what is latency, what is response time, throughput. Okay, so my in my training, na, just I will explain you with some real world examples. Okay, just how the client questions may come, everything. So, but we need to strong in the fundamentals here. As someone said, correlations, okay, assertion, parameterization, timers, okay, everything. Not and someone said bottlenecks here, how to identify bottlenecks here, and server utilization and DB, everything. And some of the right now some JMeter interviews, they're also asking whether you're having knowledge on DB, not fully, but some knowledge on DB, and also performance engineering also. But in our like in our case, na, just this 20 hours purely I will focus on JMeter and related to performance testing. Okay, not I'm not going for engineering or something. Why? Because again it will take more and more classes. Yeah, this is one reason, lack of fundamentals here. And over dependence on the tools. Okay, so over dependence on the tools and weak in concept here. Okay, just everything like we will depend on tools more and more. Okay, but we don't know for suppose someone he knows like how to record a particular application and he knows that. Okay, and just is depending on the tool. Just what happened? Maybe the manager, someone he will come and he will ask you, do the performance testing. He never ask anything. What is concurrency? What is a ramp up? Okay, and what is the duration? Okay, maybe duration he knows he can do, but he never ask you more and more questions again. And we know as a performance tester, we should not be shy. We need to ask more and more questions here. That everyone knows. Why? Because we need to gather information from the DB team. We need to gather information from the server team. Okay, and also from the product team. Everything. Or we need to gather all the information here. Just only, yeah, I'm having knowledge on JMeter tool, how to record everything. Just record. And some people, what they will do? They will record the whole application at once here. Okay, and they will record very lengthy flows here. So they are very weak in concept here. They need to understood. They need to learn. Okay, whenever anyone will come do the performance testing, they need to learn how to ask questions. And like initially, they need to check the scenarios here, the business flows properly. Again, for each and every business flow, they need to verify the concurrency, throughput, these all things, and also the concurrency distribution. Why? Because every scenario will not have the same concurrency here. Okay, again, so concurrency means the number of users running in parallel. The number of users running in parallel. So just I'm explaining, just I'm telling. This way we need to learn. Okay, I think someone has chat. Yeah, okay. So JMeet, I will come back. I will come back for this particular. Okay, only JMeet interviews. Only interview questions. It will not take 20 hours. I will explain you what I will cover in this particular course. Okay. So, but I'm telling some people they will depend more on the tools here. They will think I know recording and everything from the everywhere. They need to gather all the information. Okay, and they need to do exact replica to production. Okay, in production, what is happening? They need to do exact replica. So everything that is most important. Okay. Yeah, and one more, I said no real-time project like maybe in some cases maybe they will learn some courses. Okay, because we know uh, see no one will get experience initially. Everyone should learn some course. Today JMeter, tomorrow some other tool. Okay, and now AI came. So everyone initially everyone is a fresher for anything. Okay, once we are changing from one project to project, maybe over the dependencies, maybe he may not have real-time project exposure. Okay, in that case, what will happen na, in the interview? If he is asking some questions based on some real-time uh, questions here, he may failed. Okay, so this is one more reason here. Okay, this is one more reason here. And poor debugging and problem solving skills here, like correlation issues or logs here or errors here. Okay, maybe maybe he is not having that many skills here. If some issue came suddenly, okay, response time initially when he's running for 200 concurrency, everything is fine. No issues are coming, but he has not seen response time is increasing, error percentages are increasing. He has not seen, and directly he will run with more concurrency. Okay, so here concurrence in the sense number of users running in parallel, and we know performance testing is a non-functional testing here. Here we are not checking about functionalities, not like functional testing. We never check about functionalities here. We will check how our application can able to withstand a particular load. You know, you remember, like for suppose some servers will become down if more and more users are accessing the application. So why they will down? They never check about performance before with that particular load. Okay, so like then server will be down and 500 errors will shown, or internal server error will shown or something. So okay, so 502. So many issues will come here. So they need to learn how to troubleshoot. If any problem happens here, how to troubleshoot. They need to know how to check the logs here. Okay, and like any correlations have not done properly. Okay, all this. So this is one more reason. And one more. Again, I said, na, some people they will ignore monitoring and analysis here. Just if anyone will come and if they will say, yeah, do the performance testing, they never maybe because of real time exposure or no is not having real time experience or something, they never monitor the CPU memory for all the servers, for app server, for DB server, for web server. They never monitor all servers here. How the CPU mainly, that is the main. So we are performance testing mainly to check the resource utilization, to check the CPU memory. And what is the monitoring? For suppose, let me explain you. If you'll open a task manager in my laptop, okay, see, this is an example I'm saying. Like if you see CPU, memory, disk, network utilization. Okay, everything is coming. Okay, everything is coming. So my memory now it is occupying 76%. If it is occupying more than 100% or nearer to 100%, then issues may come here. Okay, I think my problem for you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay, yeah,
yes.
thank you. So this way we need to check for app server, we need to check for web servers, we need to check for DB server, everything. That is the main purpose. If anywhere, for suppose in some interview questions they may ask you which using. Okay, then you need to prepare. Yeah, which monitoring tool I'm using in my present project. No need to say without knowing. Like for suppose, you don't know about Dynatrace. Don't say about Dynatrace. Just explain them which monitoring tool uh, you are using. Okay, that is enough. Then they will ask you regarding that particular monitoring tool. Like in every project, because we know Dynatrace, AppDynamics, they are paid tools, but Grafana, InfluxDB, they are free tools here. So in this way, some people they will ignore this monitoring and analysis here. That is one more reason. And one more reason will be no awareness of CI/CD and DevOps practice here. Okay, so they never ask you fully, but they will ask you whether you're having a knowledge, awareness of CI/CD. Okay, then if you know, then you can explain them. Yeah, I know JMeter integration with Jenkins, how to run the JMeter test from the Jenkins here, okay, or pipelines through pipeline, okay, Jenkins pipeline or Docker. So maybe that is also one more reason, no awareness of CI/CD. But maybe in this course, I may not explain you about Docker. That is a different. You need to learn. Okay, but I'm telling these are all reasons here. But I will explain you the JMeter integration with Jenkins here. Okay, this portion I can cover. Yeah, and also in one of the main reason nowadays, weak basics in JVM, Java Virtual Memory, and DB and OS troubleshooting. This is also most important. This portion also we need to learn everyone how to tune JVM basics, okay, and DB query optimization. Okay, that depends upon project to project and company to company. They may ask you about whether you're having DB knowledge, whether you know how to optimize the DBs. If any DB is taking more time, how to optimize and everything they will ask you. And they may ask you whether you know how to analyze the AWR report. Okay, so these all questions they will ask you. And also Linux monitoring commands. So they may also ask you whether you're having some experience on Linux. Okay. So before going for interview, we need to learn some basic Linux commands here. That depends regarding the performance testing. No need to learn complete Linux here. Like what is the top command will do. Okay. Something. What is a sudo access? Some Linux monitoring commands you need to learn. Okay. And also one more reason will be workload modeling also. Like this workload modeling also we need to do properly before. And also some reasons they may also ask you about NFR, PT strategy documents here, and how you will prepare PT strategy document here and how you will prepare NFR documents here. Okay, NFR means non-functional document. I will show you how this document will be there, everything. Okay. So one more reason, if everything we know, but some people will have lack of confidence. That is also the major part. He may not have lack of confidence here and poor communication. He may not answer, he may not communicate properly. That is also problem. Maybe he knows very well. If someone will say, if DB CPUs have reaching 100%, what you will do? Maybe he knows, but he is unable to explain clearly. Okay, then the other person will think, yeah, maybe he don't know properly. That is also one more reason, major reason for some people. Okay, and no preparation for common interview. Okay, reason one more. Maybe we never prepare for common interview questions. Which interview questions are common? Maybe we may not prepare. This we will take it up. Maybe I may not explain you the 600 questions. Okay, but I will cover some questions and I will give you some questions as a with question and answers. I will give it. I will give it for you. Okay, if I can cover everything, that is good. But mainly, as someone said, na JMeter, only JMeter interview questions or something. In my training, na, we doesn't learn only JMeter interview questions. Okay, I will explain you. Maybe not from the scratch, not like JMeter training sections here, like how to record an application, everything. I may not explain you everything, but I will tell you how to do correlations and what is an advanced correlations. Okay, and I will tell you what is a parameterization and controllers, different types of controllers. So regarding in whatever in interview how the questions will come, that I will take it up. Okay, but that basics recording an application and how to do correlations, this I will not go in a very deep. Just I will explain you. This is the correlation, and we need to do correlation like this, and some advanced correlations. timers, parameterization, everything. This type of and also I will explain like JMeter integration with Jenkins here. Okay, and also Dynatrace or AppDynamics, how to integrate JMeter with Dynatrace tool or AppDynamics tool here. Okay, if we are having time, I will explain both. Otherwise, I will explain any one. And also in my training, I will explain about AWS. Okay, let me write. Okay, I will explain about AWS. Not fully, just I will explain you how to open the AWS and how to run. Okay, these types I will explain you AWS. Let me write everything. Just 1 second. Let me take one of the. Okay, so what I said na. So I'm writing everything. Okay, JMeter. What I will explain. I think everyone can able to see this Word file. Okay, I hope. Concepts like correlations, everything I will explain. Integrations, I will explain about Jenkins integration and AWS. Only basic here. Okay, how to check this AWS because someone will ask you whether you're having experience on the cloud performance tool. Okay, then you can explain them. Yeah, I know about AWS, not fully, but in one of the project I have done using AWS. Okay, so this way some confidence for building up that confidence only I will explain you. Okay, uh, then Dynatrace. Okay, JMeter integration with Dynatrace. Okay, advanced correlations. Advanced correlations. And also I will explain you about Groovy scripting and some scenario. I will provide you the JMX file also. Okay, Groovy scripting also because nowadays they're focusing on the scripting also. Whether you know Groovy scripting, and they will ask you by giving a scenario how you will write a program for this. Okay, so we need to have some uh, okay some knowledge on the Groovy scripting also. And mainly I will explain about I already Jenkins have completed na. Yeah, anything still it is there for JMeter integrations. Anyone? InfluxDB also I will explain you. Okay, InfluxDB, Grafana, InfluxDB Grafana integration. Okay, I think Prometheus I'm not covering here. Prometheus also one of the open source tool, but I'm not covering here. Only in place of Prometheus I'm covering InfluxDB and Grafana. Yeah, anything recording I'm not okay. If anyone needs a basic recordings, I will check with team once if any basic videos are there. Okay, that we can check, but you need to learn on your own. I will check with regarding this. But recording and play that is okay. But again I will explain you about web services. Web services. Okay, using Postman. Like how to record the web services. Okay, from Postman to JMeter. This I will explain. Okay, to JMeter. If any APIs, web services means APIs here, API testing. Yeah, this one I will cover. Okay. Yeah, and also on a not in a very deeper level, I will cover about JVM or JVM like GC log, how to verify the GC, how to check the GC logs here. Okay, heap dumps. Okay, not in a very in a thread dumps, not in a very deeper level, only according to the interviews. sorry, in place of okay, heap and thread dumps here. Okay, not in a very high, in a very deeper. Again, I'm telling this. Okay, just I will cover according to the JMeter interview. If someone will ask you what is a heap dump, you should get some confidence here. That confidence I will bring it up. Okay, like someone will ask you what is a garbage collection, what is a major, what is a minor, okay, and what is the heap dumps here, and how these heap dumps will help us, thread dumps. Okay, these all things we can learn. And regarding this, again I will see, you can see most of I will cover like real time client scenario questions. Like for suppose some example, if clients say stress testing must be completed in 1 day, what will you do? Okay, so this one like maybe my answer may not be the correct or completely correct. We need to have some discussions whenever this type of questions will come. Okay, that discussion also will help us, because I cannot say it's not like a maths or something. Only this answer is fixed. Maybe answers will vary here. So this type of questions I will cover, like real-time scenario questions. Again, I will cover. Yeah, these all things are okay. Everything is there, na? And basic PT questions. This I will cover. I will provide you all this. There will be no worry. Just how we can provide, na? Like we are not providing everything through WhatsApp or something. We are having a Git account, okay, that private access. Whoever will join the course, okay, I will upload all the materials there. Okay, and if you share the email ID, we will share all the JMX file, all these materials with you. Okay, that is like so like what is the performance testing? Questions on performance testing. Some questions. This I will cover. Like on JMeter, what is a JMeter? On JMeter also we will have some questions like what is a test plan, what is a thread group, what is a ramp up, okay, and this one to 600 questions we are having, like what is an assertion, what is a listener, timers. I'm also having answers for this. I will share you the question and answers. Okay, not only questions here. What is a throughput? Aggregate reports here, everything. And also controllers. Some questions on the controllers, mostly important. What is a controller in JMeter? Okay, what is a logic controllers? What is a sampler? JDBC. Oh yeah, I forgot to explain you. I will cover this topic also. JDBC integration. If someone will ask you, have you done the DB testing? Okay, so then you can explain them JDBC integration. Okay, with JMeter. Okay. So this all like around 10 classes I will cover all these topics here, and 10 to 12 classes, and remaining 8 classes I will cover on the question and answer type here. This is what we are planning. Yeah, anything like from anyone? Any other questions like what you are expecting from us? Okay.
Yeah, hi, this
Um,
Mani this side. I just want to know that I've attended couple of interviews from the past. They are asking about do you executed the test or endurance test, and asking how the process will be doing in that particular. So could you able to show us that stress test or endurance test, how the process will be, and one more distribution test with the master slave. All these
Yeah,
questions are coming from them.
yeah. See here, stress testing, that is only from the just if you open the JMeter tool, I will explain you by using Ultimate Thread Group. Okay, these all things differently that will cover. Without covering, we cannot say JMeter. Okay, so I will explain you about stress testing, endurance testing, and why we are going for endurance testing to check the memory leaks.
Uh,
Okay,
Yeah, but how the execution process, they are asking about how the execution process
yeah,
exactly
that
the
is
uh
yeah. Yeah, let me explain you. So for suppose if you open the JMeter tool, na, okay, that is differently. Not I will explain you.
Okay.
I think JMeter will take more some time. Yeah, and also forgot. I also one more, one by one point is coming to me on my mind. Uh, I will explain you about some Linux command also. Linux commands, okay, related to performance. Okay, related to performance testing. I will explain. Okay. Yeah, distribution testing. Na, maybe I will check if time will be there. I will show you how this master. If any chance, I can also show in AWS also the master and slave. How we can do the master and slave in AWS also. I can show. Just only I can download 2 or 3 remote machines in from the AWS, and I need to run. Okay. Then no need of other machines here. Through cloud also we can run master and slave. Okay, by chance if you are having time I will show you, otherwise I think I will that depends upon, like if everyone is interested I will show the master and slave from AWS also. Okay, or the process everything I will explain clearly. Okay,
Okay.
and endurance
And
testing.
one more, eh,
Yeah,
will you also explain that that in a gathering of a non-functional
yeah, that is
requirement
differently.
gathering
Yeah,
and the
yeah,
things?
that is differently.
Mm.
And
Will you
for
provide that document of reference?
yeah, I will provide. Okay, so differently I will provide NFR strategy documents. Okay, and test plan documents. Everything we will provide.
These
Krishna, will you be
documents we can use
covering
for the
workload modeling?
Yeah, sorry.
Yeah, will you be covering workload modeling part?
Yeah, that is different. Compulsory na in JMeter. Okay, workload modeling also.
Okay. So will you be explaining it with scenarios or how it is?
Yeah, just only I will explain about how to gather the scenarios here, and how to check this, how to get this workload phasing timing. Okay, from the workload modeling, I will explain.
Oh,
But
fine.
again, everything again I'm telling you before only. It's not like a JMeter course. We are not going into deep. Only according to the interviews only we will explain you. Okay, that's the reason. Because if we will cover more and more, na, it will take around again more than 40 hours time. Okay, but that is also not a problem. If anyone will join, if for suppose 20 hours, okay, at least if 4 to 5 hours extra also I will spare, no problem. That is not a, because at last you and both me and you both should benefit, and also both should get more and more knowledge. That is our benefit. Okay, and if you see na, like in the earlier class, I think explain them about, see, for suppose a scenarios here. As someone is asking endurance testing out to what is the process. See, this is one, banking 24 hours endurance, because we know in banking application they will run for 24 hours. They need to run for 24 hours. Morning hour, this online offline transactions everything will happens here. In night time only some transactions will happens here, not everything. So initially, see, here how we are thread group number one. In thread group number one, business. We need to identify the business hours here, and after hours only account holders, because after hours na, maybe the staff will not work here. Only the account holders. I can open my bank account. I can check my bank balance or something. Okay, and business customers here, maybe some business hours. In this way, we need to identify the scenarios properly. Then we need to gather. This way, like how to find the phasing. This type of questions also they're asking. Like my target is 180 transactions per hour. Okay, I see. I will write this one. Just I'm showing in the previous batch. Explain again. I will write here. I'm having digital pen. and I will write each and everything again. Just I'm showing for you. This is what I will cover. Like if someone will ask you, 18,000 transactions per hour, I need to uh, I need to target what is happening, everything. Yeah. Again, someone is raising hand. Any other questions like you can ask? I'm writing each and everything
So,
here.
do you
Yeah.
do mock testing, like mock interview test for each
Yeah.
individual person, or is it a group?
Mock interview sections like that depends if you're interested. We will conduct for one to one also.
Yeah.
Okay. So there will be, I said, no, like I can spare some time. There will be no issue because at last everyone should get, okay, benefit here. Daily 1 hour, no, for me, there will be no issue. Yeah, mock interview is one to one. It's okay. I fixed this one to one. Okay, then anything?
Resume building, will you help me?
Resume building right now, but I will tell you how to do this resume building everything. Okay, but if need, I will help you. No problem. I can share you some resumes, sample resumes or something. Uh, but I know, and we know everything nowadays. AI came, and you can also check with ChatGPT or resume building everything. But I will check on this resume building. I will check. Okay, and I will share you. I'm having some sample resumes. We will check it. Okay, but I cannot say completely. I will focus on resume building, but I will. If you will do something, I can help you. That's it. In this way, but not we are not doing any resumes. That is one thing. Yeah,
This
anything?
is only internal purpose or let's go scratch from getting advanced.
I'm not getting only interview purpose or you're saying about JMeter. Yeah, see, interview purpose only. Mainly, see, JMeter interview purpose only. We are focusing on this one. But here, what is happening now? Why I said I will explain this integrations, everything. You will get some confidence level. For suppose I am going for interview. If someone will ask you, you know about any cloud performance tool, then in then you will remember, yeah, Suresh has explained about AWS. Okay, and I will tell them, yeah, I know about AWS. Okay, and I know how to do master and slave in AWS. Okay, so this things you will get some confidence here because only I know. See, only question and answer. If I will say some question, if someone will say, "What is stress testing?" If I will give you answer, that is not a benefit for anyone. That is also I know. Okay, I never say directly. I will explain you, and if you see my particular course, like earlier course, na, I provided some JMX file also, multiple scenarios here. Some JMX files also I provided them. Okay, and also see for each and everything we are having PPTs here. Some case studies also we are having. So all the materials are ready. Just only you need to spend the time. That's it. The more time you will spend, and the more things I can explain you. That's it. That is one thing I can help you. But all the materials, everything are ready. No need to prepare again. No need to send it for you. Just only everything is yeah, everything is ready.
Will it be this hands-on course?
Yeah, hands-on only. That's what I'm telling. Hands-on, I may not tell you completely. Like recording a application, I may not explain you. That is okay. What things I explain, like yeah, Almost answer only. I said no, like I never say question and answer. For suppose Jenkins integration, answer only I will do. I never say yeah this is Jenkins and this one like this. I will do hands-on JMeter integration, AWS, Dynatrace, advanced correlation, Groovy scripting, InfluenceDB, Grafana, web services. Okay, but this GC logs, heap and thread dumps, no one can cover like in this particular course and so on here. It will take more and more time. Only GC logs, heap and thread dumps. I will explain you the basics here. And JDBC integration, I will cover and so on here. Okay, everything Linux command basics again. So because I'm also having Linux server in my system, both I'm having both Linux and also Windows in my system. So I can open the Linux Ubuntu and I can show you some Linux commands which will be useful for the performance testing. Okay, Linux also I can cover hands-on here, but not completely. Yeah, anything?
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, thank you. Uh, and also I send the NFR documents, everything I will share you. Just okay, let me stop my sharing for twice. Like I will show you my Git link also in the previous batch what I have shared. Just give me 2 minutes. Yeah, I will share my screen again. Yeah, can you able to see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, see before I provided them some JMX file also like how to generate some random emails using Groovy API, some pre-processor. What is the pre-processors? Okay, and employee data extraction. Some JMX file also I sent them. Again, the same thing I will provide for you also. Okay, it's not a public link, it's a private link, and I will provide all the JMeter interview questions, mock exam. Like I provided some mock exam also, not mock interviews, but I provided the mock exam. That depends, like how they will answer, and all the JMX files and PPTs. Again, some JMX file I kept in my one of the folder, and if anyone will ask permission, I will give, then they can able to access all the JMX file and PPTs also. So everything we are providing here. And if you'll see mock exam, see like for some questions like this mock exams, if you can able to clear this mock exam, you can also be able to clear ISTQB performance testing, because I designed based on the ISTQB performance testing course here, some mock exams here. Like they will give you one scenario and you need to answer the questions. So if you guys said na, if you can able to spend the time, I can able to give you more and more. That is I can give you, but only my you need to learn more and more. That's it. That depends upon. But if someone will say, no, I'm having experience of manual testing or I need the basics. That depends upon. Just learn the basics and try to crack interview. That is one way. Or if someone will say, I need to learn more and more, that depends. You can learn more and more. So this will cover everything based on the person interest to interest. That depends upon. If anyone wants to learn more and more, they can learn. Or if anyone wants to learn only just I need interview questions, I will share interview questions also. Yeah, anything? Any other?
Daily 1 hour session.
Yeah, daily 1 hour from 9 to 10 p.m. Daily, the fixed time in India, 9 to 10 p.m. And from other countries, maybe I will check the timings once. Okay, but they will
Total
provide
hours.
total 20 hours. Okay, if it is more extra, some 5 hours also we can spend, no problem. I think definitely it will take more than 20 hours here. Okay, that I will take care of this. because Jenkins only it will take 1 hour class, AWS it will take 1 hour, Dynatrace it will take 1 hour, advanced correlations 1 hour, Groovy scripting like one Groovy scripting more than 2 hours or something, but we need to check. Influence DB grapher integration 1 hour. If you check this integrations and so only it's taking 1 hours here. Yeah, anything? But I can assure that with this reasonable price, you can get more and more knowledge, and you will get confidence also. Yeah, I can able to crack. I know these topics here. Okay. Still, if you want to learn more and more, you can learn. Like DB testing also, you can learn. Maybe it may not cover here, but you can learn independently. What is the DB testing? How to optimize the queries, everything. Then it will give much more uh, chances of getting the calls here. Yeah, anything? Just I want to know from everyone, like what is their. Sorry if anyone is asking any questions.
So like
Yeah,
how
I was asking. Sorry.
sorry. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Actually, I
anyone.
was asking, do we get the recording on this mm, YouTube link, YouTube videos?
Yeah, recordings will come now. That is differently. See, the first 1 or 2
Okay.
classes for all the public, like for everyone. But I think remaining everything will be private access only.
Oh, okay.
Okay. That's the reason in this particular 1 hour, I'm not asking more and more. Like once we join our sections, maybe we can get more. Like I will ask you like how the interview questions, like what everything we can check it. But they will provide you differently. The YouTube link, I think, private access for lifetime. They will provide you. Yeah, sorry, someone again earlier. Someone is asking one more question.
Yeah, like are we using any monitoring tool like Dynatrace for the monitoring purposes here in this course?
Yeah, I said no. I see. I included. You can see Dynatrace. Okay.
Okay.
See, that is a free. I will explain you. Every Dynatrace tool, for 15 days, it is a free. I will tell you how to get this free access for 15 days, and you can learn uh, some hands-on using using that free 15 days period.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, anything? AWS also, I will tell you. Yeah, sorry, someone. Yeah, anything? Any other? Because right now I'm not explaining any topic. From tomorrow, I will take one topic and I will explain. Tomorrow, maybe I will explain you about some interview questions on performance testing. Okay, initially for 2 or 3 classes, I will explain on only on interview questions here. How the questions will come, question and answer type only. Then I will come back for the hands-on. For hands-on, I never we are not going initially. Okay, for once everything batch should be fixed everything, then we will go for hands-on here. Yeah, anything from any other questions like if anyone is new for JMeter, you need to learn something more and more. Like you need to practice recording an application, how to do correlations, everything. If you can practice, okay, this course will help you. But if you're very new, I don't know about JMeter, then maybe that depends upon your hard work. Okay, that depends upon you. But we never say join this course and I will tell you the JMeter from scratch. I never say. That's the reason. Course cost everything. I think they provided in the brochure. I'm also I will tell you. I will explain them to regarding this course. Okay, fees everything to share it in the particular groups here. Okay.
Can you please share this course content as well?
Yeah, course content also. Like right now, I'm sharing right now only. Through screen sharing. Just 1 second.
No, no. This document share the WhatsApp group.
Yeah, WhatsApp group already shared everything. Again, I'm sharing once again. I think course structure everything they shared everything. Just give me 1 second. I'm sharing my screen only for 2 minutes. I never take more time. Only for 2 minutes. And again, I will inform them to share this brochure once again in every group. And I'm also sharing in this group also, through chat. Just give me 1 second. WhatsApp is loading. And mock exam, 3 mock exams, very good mock exams here. You never find. Again, you need to. Okay, that mock exams also I will share it. Not like very basic mock exam. They're very high level. Like you can crack easily ISTQB. Because I prepared. When I prepared, I know how I prepared. The similar questions I given. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. And this course structure also, everyone will get it, no problem, in every group. Yeah. So this is one. Just JMeter interview, just 20 hours. I think course fees only in Indian rupees 5,000, around 5,000. Not more than this. It's a reasonable price. Okay. Yeah, I said no, like our hourly what I will explain. I will explain about samplers, controllers, listener, assertion, timers, execution orders, everything. I will explain you. Then correlations, parameterization, I will explain you. Okay. And transitions and workload modeling, I will explain you. What is the time phasing? I thought of this explain about this brochure tomorrow. That's the reason. But anyway, but someone is asking, na, so I'm explaining everything. Like advanced scenarios here, like API, database testing, everything I have written. Again, same file upload and download scenarios here, execution and distribution. Okay, and monitoring analysis. Okay, like Dynatrace, Grafana, Influence DB, everything. Debugging and problem solving. Like if any errors will come, 401, 403, 500 errors connection. Okay, like and advanced scripting with Groovy. I will explain about Groovy, not JSR 223, but using Groovy and integration of JMeter with Jenkins pipeline. Okay, and troubleshooting of JVM, DB, and OS. Finally, final mock interview and conference building. So this, I think this course structure, the early shared with you. Again, I'm sharing in this particular group. Yeah, I'm sharing here. You can copy this. And I said, no, in the document you have question and answer along with the answers. I said, no, I'm providing both question and answers. As a proof, I will show you for some people. Uh, like, uh, let me go back for this Git link. In the Git link, everything I will provide. See question and answers. If you open this one, yeah, question answer. All the 600 questions, question and answers, everything will come here. So that is not a problem. Everything we have written. Okay, it is loading. Okay, but all the 600 questions will be there. Okay. Yeah, this also. Anything? Any other? Okay, I said no, I will provide all the materials, everything. There will be no issue. The person who can learn, he can learn is like more and more time. No problem. Yeah, anything again? Okay, if no more, so tomorrow we can have, we can meet again at same 9 p.m. Okay, then we can discuss here. In this one day, you can think about this course, whether joining of this course will help you or something. But definitely, it will help you with this reasonable price. That I can assure for you. Okay, then. Thanks for all.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
you.